Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a chiffon cake with taro cream and pork floss. The cake is sandwiched with sweet and smooth taro cream and topped with salty pork floss and seaweed. Here is my dog Diamond wondering when he will get a piece of that yummy cake. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is underneath the video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Pour taro and sugar and a bit of water into Thermomix. Cook at 100 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes at speed 4. Add butter, cream, and purple yam powder. Blend at speed 9 for 10 seconds and stir well. Alternatively, you can just steam taro pieces for about 15 minutes to cook and soften, then pour taro and water into a blender with sugar, purple yam powder, cream, and butter to blend together into a smooth paste like this in texture. Wrap and cover the taro paste and refrigerate. Let's preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Insert butterfly into Thermomix. Beat whipping cream and icing sugar at speed 3 for 1.5 minutes, or beat with a hand beater until soft peaks. Add taro paste and beat for another 30 seconds in Thermomix or by electric beater until cream stiffens. Do not overbeat, otherwise the cream will separate. Scoop out and refrigerate. Let's make the cake now. Separate eggs into egg whites and egg yolk one by one. Remember, the container for egg whites must be clean without any trace of oil. Whisk together oil, milk, and egg yolks into a smooth mixture. Sieve flour through a strainer into the mixture. Then mix well into a smooth mixture like this. Beat cold egg whites at high speed until foamy. Add 1/3 sugar, beat until a bit thick. Another 1/3 sugar, then beat for about 10 seconds. Add rest of sugar, beat at high speed until soft meringue forms, then switch to low speed and beat until meringue reaches firm peaks. That is, small hooks of meringue form at tip of beater when beaters are lifted. And beat for a few seconds at lowest speed to eliminate air bubbles. Pour 1/3 meringue into batter, then fold gently using a whisk to incorporate. Then pour the mixture into the rest of meringue, fold to incorporate. Pour mixture back to the first bowl, then fold gently using a spatula until fully incorporated. Fold from the bottom, then cut in the center while turning the bowl like this. Line a square baking pan with tarpaulin. Pour batter into the baking pan. Level the batter with a scraper like this. Tap pan on counter to remove air bubbles or run a toothpick into the batter. Bake at 320 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, then convection bake at 350 Fahrenheit for another 5 minutes. Remove cake from oven. Slide cake out onto a rack and cool for at least 10 minutes. You may also beat egg whites and sugar at speed 3.5 for about 4 minutes in Thermomix. To assemble, trim away edges of cake and divide the cake evenly into 2 portions like this. Pipe taro cream onto 1/2 of cake. Place the other half on top. Smooth out taro cream on 4 sides. Squeeze Japanese mayo on top, then spread out using a spatula like this. Here is pork floss you may find in Asian grocery stores, so sprinkle some pork floss on to cover the entire top of cake. Slightly press to secure. Here is Japanese seaweed cut into 1 inch by 1/4 inch small pieces. Then sprinkle them on top of the pork floss. Press to secure, cover and refrigerate for 2 hours. Remove cake from fridge. Dip a knife in hot water, then wipe clean with paper towel. Then cut out the cake to serve. Dip knife into hot water and wipe clean for every cut. Let's take a look of the cakes and try a piece. Love the taro cream with the fluffy cake. The sauteed pork floss with seaweed add another layer of taste. The yummy chiffon cake with taro cream and pork floss is now ready to serve. Enjoy!